Hello, this is Jared Severe again, and today I want to share with you the basics of building a web page. And this is part 2 of our series. Today I will assume that you already have gotten your domain name for your website and that you have already purchased hosting. Again, you need the two in order to throw up a web page. Then what we're going to do right now is I'm going to show you how to connect the two together. So what's going to happen is you are going to get an email from your hosting company that is going to give you what's called name server information. Typically it's designated with an NS1 and an NS2. So or wherever you bought your hosting from, they will have sent you this email. So then what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and log in to your domain register, wherever you registered your domain name. So for me, I would log in to GoDaddy. As soon as I log in there, I'm going to find the domain name that I just registered. So for now, I'm just going to go click one that does not have hosting. So I scroll down and find the one that I just purchased, and then what it's going to do is it's going to bring me to, in a sense, a domain manager, if you will. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go up here to the top where it says name servers. Now if you didn't purchase your domain name from GoDaddy, that's fine. All your domain registers have some button that says name servers. So you're going to click on that, and then it's going to ask you for your name server information. So it's going to say name server number 1, and this is where you just copy and paste that name server information. It's going to say name server 2, and again, that's where you copy that name server information from that email that you received from your hosting company. And then you're going to hit OK. And once you've done that, now basically you're telling your domain register where you are going to be storing all your files. And then you can go ahead and log out. The next thing that you're going to do is you're going to go to WordPress. So I would go to wordpress.org, and I'm going to download the latest version of WordPress. Okay, and everybody should know or be familiar that WordPress is the largest, I would say, next to Blogger, a tool that allows you, or a platform that allows you to set up a blog. So go ahead and download WordPress, and when you download that, it's going to ask you where you want to save the file. Okay, so you're going to go ahead and click Save. It's going to bring up a window, and you're going to save this to your desktop. Okay, so go ahead and make sure your desktop is checked there. Then you're going to hit Save. Now once you save it, it's going to show up right now on your desktop, right there. Okay, we got WordPress. You're going to go ahead and unzip the file, and just move the file called WordPress right there on your desktop. Then what you're going to do is you're going to need to get some sort of an FTP client. This allows you to transfer files in between your desktop or computer directly to your hosting company where you're hosting all of your files. So I would go ahead and just use Fire FTP. So do a search for it, Fire FTP. You're going to click on that link. It's going to ask you to, if you want to use Fire FTP, to go ahead and download Firefox. So you're going to go ahead and download Firefox. Now while it's downloading, just go ahead and click all the buttons that it prompts. Once that's done, go ahead and launch it. Now once you've got Firefox installed, go ahead and do a search again for Fire FTP. Click on the link, and now you're able to download Fire FTP. And just go ahead and follow all the prompts.